Banana with curd is our today's dessert recipe in the joy of cooking. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. Let's learn how to make banana with curd. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. For that we require banana, sugar and curd or yogurt. In a bowl, first I'll take the yogurt or curd, about 3/4 cup, and mix it well till it becomes smooth. To this I will add sugar, granulated sugar, about 2 to 3 teaspoons, and mix it well. Let the sugar dissolve. I'll add very little salt to this, about a pinch of salt, to enhance the flavors. Once the sugar has dissolved properly, to this I will add bananas. I have sliced them. You may finely chop the bananas if you want to. Perfect. Mix it well. And our banana with curd is ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking, hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned.